Just another quick screencast on year 12 for the business strategy game. Try to keep this at about 4 minutes. Again, just kind of a quick and dirty overview. First of all, it seems that Limitless and Classic Kicks really did a great job, as well as Hampshire Hikers, J Company, and Chaos. Really seem to be pulling together a good experience. Looking at earnings per share, just let me expand. Well, I guess I won't expand that a bit. But we can look at earnings per share, return on equity, and of course stock price, ranging from as high as $95 per share to as low as $7 per share. Credit rating is also very important, with a lot of variation there. Remember that again, 20% of the point average is addressed with these financial type ratings, such as credit rating, stock price, return on equity, and the like. So the key is really to keep your business really afloat financially. Also, we can see the Company H has continued to do real well in terms of image rating. Actually, the only real qualitative measure. The others are relatively quantitative. Looking at industry overview, very interesting when we look primarily at space, facility space that's being constructed. We can see 4 million pairs in North America, 4 million additional pairs in Europe, Africa, 5 million in Asia Pacific, and 9 million in Latin America. Total production is going to go from about 110 million to 170 million as we move forward. So some very aggressive moves in the construction of space. Also, when we look at financials, we can see companies are doing relatively well. Everybody's making a profit. Net profits are all positive. Cash on hand seems to be a little bit of an issue for companies D, E, and I. The real key is to be able to manage that so it won't hurt your bond rating, your underlying financials. Inventory also is very well behaved. That might change as we go into year 13 with all the new construction. We will see. And then just shooting down to celebrities, we can see teams have paid as much as 10 million to as low as 500,000 for celebrity. And interestingly, actually we have 4 celebrities that haven't even been signed. Maybe an opportunity to grab a celebrity for relatively low outlays of fees. As we go into, actually let me go to North America first. As we go into North America, I wish that would update for me. Now let's stay at Europe, Africa, unless it just switches over. Try that again. There's Asia Pacific. Back to North America. There it did. Made the switch. You can see prices are pretty well behaved, particularly in the internet and the wholesale market. We have a lot of variation when we look at private label, and always remember the maximum anybody's willing to pay for private label shoes is $40, almost $40, $40, $41 per pair. But anything over that, sales will not be made, and that's the reason why we have was it company E, I, and K, whose shoes didn't sell. They're above that threshold, so maybe something you'll want to keep in mind as you're moving forward. Aside from that, nothing else really jumps to mind. Again, just wanted to make this a real quick and dirty overview. It looks like the game is going pretty well, and grateful for all the comments and the threaded discussion and all that. I hope this is a benefit. Have a great day.